Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys, now 2 videos a week. Who are we? 2023, just kidding. Anyways, if you guys saw by the title, we got an amazing package and I want to unbox it. Haven't opened it, I'm so excited. If you guys want to know then what's in this box, then please keep on watching. Oh my gosh, you guys, as you guys saw by the title, I got this amazing box by VERSED. So sweet of them and so kind to send this to me. I was so excited. So let's open it together. All right, so I just popped it open, like I undid it because I was like, we're not gonna be here for hours, but cute. So it says, your pores are so happy right now. Mother Earth will be too. We're into recycling and then some. This box is made from recycled materials. The packing paper is biodegradable and our products are designed to be lower waste. You guys, I'm so excited. My skincare needs an upgrade. We like 2023 baby. Oh my gosh, you guys. So amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I have been to work all day, and this stuff needs to come off, so we're gonna do it together. So this is the VERSED Wash It Out a Gel Cleanser, rosewater and seaweed extract. You guys, we are loving it. We also have a Vacation Eyes Brightening Eye Gel. Dying. Use me if you and your eyes could use a vacation. How creative is this packaging, you guys? I keep seeing this all around TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you guys do. I am branching out on my feed. You guys, 2023 baby is happening. All the things. Oh, so cute. I love that it's yellow because of course we need a yellow babe. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Like, you guys have no idea. I'm so excited. So, oh cute, love it. Got a little paper and it says high performance skincare for everyone. Here to bring you results that warrant restocking. Hi, we're VERSED. Co-created with over 85,000 of you and counting, our mission is simple. Make products that perform for your skin, body, and planet. We use proven ingredients at skin-changing levels and skip the fussy packaging and conventional retail markups, so you only pay for what matters, the goop inside the bottle. Ooh, I like it. But we're vegan, cruelty-free, and climate neutral certified, which means we offset 100% of the climate emissions we cannot reduce and have since our 2019 launch, including those associated with shipping this package. We call ourselves VERSED because frankly, we're pretty well versed in skin and we want you to be too. Shop at versedskin.com and Shoppers Drug Mart. That's amazing. I'm so excited. And now we're gonna go in with, Weekend Glow Brightening Solution. 4-acid complex with bearberry extract. I'm so excited. Oh, I love stuff that pumps. Okay, and 2 more products. We have a VERSED Just Breathe Clarifying Serum. You guys, I'm all about a serum. Serum is life in this world for me. Like, if you have a serum, and that's what I'm so excited about this, is that, again, I have to take off all my makeup. Oh, girl. There we go. Oh, she's so cute. Just breathe. Okay, we need to, kind of, scope it out. Ooh. Oh, gosh, that smells so good. And then we're going to do, this is the VERSED Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream. You guys, where we live in Canada, it is so cold, people. You have no idea how cold it is. It is like ridiculously cold. And so this stuff came at the perfect time. Oh, I need this all over my face, my poor face today. Oh my God, I love it. So excited. Thank you so much to VERSED. And the best part is, you guys, they were so kind to send me a discount code. Used Lifestyle of Leslie 10 to save 10% off when you're shopping on versedskin.com. Please use that code. It helps me out and it helps you guys out. I would so appreciate it. That is so amazing to get all this stuff 10% off. Why not? Yeah, let's get into this unboxing, but let's get into the products. Like, I want it all over my face. Let's do it. Okay, so we're in my lovely bathroom. Hopefully there's not too much of an echo. That'd be wonderful. So we're gonna take this face off. I got my little scrunchie here, and we're going to just tie our hair back. Nothing crazy like that. Okay. So we're just gonna start off with, we're gonna take the Wash It Out cleanser. We love her already. You guys, the stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited to take my makeup off. You have no idea. Okay, we're gonna go into the water now. You know, we just need a cleanser that takes everything off. So I just take you can take a rag. I just take this off because I like, so our face is like super cleansed. And now, okay, so after cleansing, it says brightening toner. So we're gonna tone our face. So I love this stuff. So you just take a cotton pad, nothing crazy, and then you pump. But since it's brand new, it's gonna probably take a while. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh my god, it smells so nice. We're just gonna cleanse. Love it. Amazing. We're gonna go in with this serum. So it says, after cleansing, press 2 drops into dry skin and let absorb AM and PM. So that's just what we're gonna do. One, two. Oh, it smells so nice. I love when products smell so good. It makes me feel like just happy. And now we're gonna do the eyes. Who doesn't want vacation eyes? Tap a tiny dot. Oh, it came with a little bubble. That's so funny. So a little dot. Don't forget your lids too, not just under eyes. It's gotta be like the whole thing, you know? And then to add it, because again, we all need moisture, let's do it. Does anybody else just do this and like do that? Because I feel like I do it a lot. Smooth a peanut sized. You know what? I'm a little bit savage. Oh. No, you need like, this is perfect. Oh my god, I love like taking it and massaging it in, like how you, when you guys get a facial, I love, and then bring it to the neck. Don't forget the neck, people. Oh, like, it's almost like I put it into my hair, my hairline. Ooh, and she is a queen. She is ready to go off to bed. So excited. Let's go back to my room. All right. So that is the end of this video. Thank you so much to Verse for all these amazing goodies. I'm so excited to use these in my daily skincare routine. Again, if you guys see this video and you guys use my code, I don't know how long it's gonna be active for, but please go use it. It's Lifestyle of Leslie 10. Save 10% off their website, and you guys will be so happy that you guys did. I appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I'm just gonna be off to bed now. It's later in the evening, and that's it for me. So I love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.